And now it's time to patch the tire. So we'll take our tool here and we'll get the very slimy, sticky plug here. They look just like this, just a piece of rubber. Kind of looks like a patch for a bicycle tire, actually. We'll stick it through this. Probably a good place I could have used my vice grips. And then we'll take the sealant here, lubricant, whatever it is, and I'm just going to rub it on it. Every tire kit should have both of these things. And we'll stick it on here. And then we will take and jam it in the tire hole. Again, a struggle every time I've ever done this in my life. Get it in there and you pull it out. Now,